And consider that folks with an associate degree earn 25% more than someone who graduated just from high school.
We know that in the coming years, jobs requiring at least an associate degree are projected to grow twice as fast as jobs requiring no college experience. That although the United Kingdom, France, and the United States made the presentation to Vienna, that Germany, a member of the P5+1, and Chancellor Merkel in particular, who could not be here this morning, wished to associate herself with these remarks. I would now like, and so I just could not be prouder to associate myself with the outstanding work that Jim has done in this first honorary associate degree. You know, one.
And now I'm working as a communications associate at the Mothers to Mothers head offices.
The associate members of the committee are located in the boxes to my left.
Franklin Roosevelt, or Medicare with Lyndon Johnson. It was a Republican, Lincoln, who launched the Transcontinental Railroad, the National Academy of Sciences, land-grant colleges. It was Eisenhower who launched the
Morgan Chase. Neil's manager knew they couldn't let him get away, so they hired him for a full-time position as an associate at a bank in Denver, where today he works with clients on their investment portfolios. And that's just 3 of thousands.
This is in Brooklyn, a high school that partnered with IBM and the City University of New York to offer its students not only a high school diploma, but also an associate's degree in computer systems or electromechanical engineering. IBM said E-Tech graduates would be the first in. You can then extend for another 2 years and get an associate's degree.
Question is, if community college does become free, do you feel as if the value of having an associate's degree will begin to drop?
Absolutely not, because for a lot of young people, the community college may be their best option, either because they just need technical training to go then get a job, in which case after 2 years, they go work with an associate's degree and they have very little debt.
Leonard, who joined us after 7 years in the Navy and is now a cloud support associate.